everybody, Mrs. Ulickney again, here to help you with page 121 for your at-home learning on Thursday, November 19th. Now for my Group B kiddos, this would be on a different day. So let's look on page 121, number 1. It says, find 7 times 2, then find 8 times 2, and 9 times 2 using the same model. Explain the pattern you see in the products. Show your work. What's a product? I hope you're thinking the answer to a multiplication problem. So let's start with 7 times 2, which means 7 groups of 2. So remember the chocolate chip cookies. So we need 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 groups of 2. How many chocolate chip cookies on each? 2. Seven groups of 2. So if we have 7 groups of 2, that would be 7 times 2. What is our product? What is the total? Well, we could skip count by what? 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 7 times 2 equals 14. Now, it says draw a model with 8 times 2, 8 groups of 2. Well, right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 groups of 2, so I can just add one more group of 2. And what does 8 times 2 equal? Well, if we count by 2 8 times, we know if we count by 2 7 times, we get 14. So let's add 2 to 14. And we get 16. So 8 times 2 equals 16. Now let's do 9 times 2, or 9 groups of 2. Right now I have 8 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to add one more group with 2 in it. So what would the product be to 9 times 2? Well, we know 8 times 2 is 16. Let's add 2 more and we get 18. So the product is 18. So what pattern do you see? Each product increases or goes up by how many? My marker just stopped working. Each product goes up by how many? 14, 16, 18. It goes up by 2. So each product is 2 more than the previous product. So each product is 2 more than the previous product. Okay, let's move on now to page 122. Let's look at number 2. This is a tricky one. Let me go see if I can grab another marker since that one stopped working on me. Hang on, guys. Give me a second. I'm going to grab another. I like to use different colors when I do this. Okay. So let's look here. It says, Rami has 1 bag with 7 apples, 8 bags with 0 oranges, and 3 bags with 10 peaches. How many apples, oranges, and peaches does Rami have? Show your work. So let's break it down. Let's first show a picture of 1 bag with 7 apples in it. So here's 1 bag with 7 apples in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's 1 bag with 7 apples. What multiplication problem would that show? 1 group of 7. 1 times 7. Now let's do 8 bags with 0. So what would that be? 8 groups of 0. 8 times 0. Well, if I draw 8 bags, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, with nothing in them, that would just be 0, right? And what does 1 times 7 equal? What product? How many total apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 3 bags with 10 peaches. So here are my bags. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. With how many in each bag? 10 peaches. That's a lot of peaches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 groups of 10. What multiplication problem does that make? 3 times 10. And what does that equal? We could skip count by 10. 10, 20, 30. So this product is 30. So how many total apples are there? 7 apples. How many oranges? 0 oranges. Whoop. And how many peaches? And 30 peaches. Okay. Let's look at number 3. It says, which of the following equals 10? 2 times 5. Or if I count by 5 2 times, what do I get? 5, 10. So A equals 10. Let's look at B. 5 times 5, 5 groups of 5. Or counting by 5 5 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That does not equal 10. 10 times 0, we know anytime we multiply by 0, we get 0. So that does not equal 10. And 1 times 9, anytime we multiply by 1, we get the other factor. So that would equal 9, not 10. So A is the only problem that equals 10. It says Ray chose C as the correct answer. So he chose this one, 10 times 0. How do you think he got that answer? He may have what? Confused. He may have confused adding. So he may have added instead of multiplied, because 10 plus 0 would give you 10. He may have added instead of multiplied. Okay. All right, boys and girls, remember to do your 20 minutes of iReady today. And then for tomorrow, you have your fluency and skills practice to do. It looks like this. Please make sure you do this as well and bring it back to you to school on the next time I see you. It's just multiplying by 1 and 0. So make sure you do this as well. Okay, have a good day.